Alam niyo bang pwede niyong puntahan ng mga famous tourist spots in Siargao in just one day? Kung balak niyong libutin ang buong Siargao, make sure to include these places in your itinerary. Since DIY lang ang trip namin, nag-rent lang kami ng motor para malibot ang buong Siargao, and first stop namin is ang famous Coconut View Deck. Libre lang dito and you can avail the famous drone shots. Next, we went to the north part of Siargao, and travel time from General Luna to north is 1 hour and 30 minutes. Dito sa north mo talaga makikita ang napakagandang waves ng dagat and ang sikat na Little Hawaii. For our brunch, we went to Dragon's Perch, and you need to order at least 500 pesos worth of food para makapag-stay and chill. The place is very aesthetic. They also have Wi-Fi connection. Yung food nila okay naman and very Instagrammable talaga yung place. Next stop namin is ang Magpupungko Pools. We paid 115 pesos. Medyo wrong timing lang kami nung pumunta kami kasi high tide pa. Then we went to Maasin River. We paid 600 pesos for the boat. Included na ang tour guide. Tapos pumunta kami sa Secret Lagoon. Sobrang lamig ng tubig dito, guys. Sobrang na-enjoy ko talaga tong place na to. Very calming and sobrang bait din ng tour guide namin. After namin sa Maasin, bumalik kami sa General Luna and we went to Isla Corgis. Alam niyo ba guys na ito talaga yung pinakagusto kong puntahan sa Siargao. Sobrang tagal ko na gustong makita tong Corgis na to and finally nakita ko na sila. Walang entrance fee dito but you need to order some drinks. 300 pesos siya per pack, so we ordered their milk tea and dopey drink and masarap yung drinks nila. Bibigyan din nila kayo ng treats para lumapit yung mga corgis sa inyo and you can also take pictures. Last stop namin is this famous resto na nirecommend lang ng friend ko and sobrang sarap ng food nila, tapos yung place guys very classy and elegant, pang mayaman talaga siya ganun. For desserts, we bought the famous gelato ice cream and di kompleto ang Siargao trip mo kung hindi mo to ito-try. So that's it for our last day in Siargao. See you on my next travel vlog. Bye!